Well, Representative, talking about the health care bill, what exactly was the reason for doing this bill?
The bill does two things. First, it establishes that as a matter of state policy, that the government is not going to order people to obtain any particular medical care or to buy any particular health insurance, and that they can pay directly for medical services themselves. That's one thing it does. The second thing is to direct the Attorney General to either bring a lawsuit or, if he prefers, join one of the other 28 states in seeking a declaration that the individual mandate of the federal health bill is unconstitutional.
Now, the Democrats were saying that this is a waste of time, basically. Do you feel that this is a waste of time?
Well, potentially it's a matter of billions and billions of dollars, so obviously I don't think it's a waste of time. Employers are reluctant to hire because they are uncertain about what the health insurance rules would be for new workers, and we need to do our part to settle that uncertainty. And if the thing finally goes into effect in 2014, the projections are that it will cost our state budget hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars, if not billions.
What type of communication has gone across the chambers, the Senate, with their bill that they introduced as well this week? What type of communication is going on?
Well, we did have an agreement with the Senate leadership that the House bill would proceed and that they would receive that. I haven't read the Senate bill. Sorry, just haven't had time.
It's still new, and like
Right.
you said, the House is going to take it over. What type of motivation, the momentum that's gone into this with the other states that have filed already, what do you think the momentum's like on this right now?
Well, 26 states won a big victory Monday afternoon when a federal district judge said the entire federal law was unconstitutional, and we won a victory a month or so ago when the district court for part of Virginia declared the individual mandate to be unconstitutional. So we have a lot of momentum, and I think people are gradually waking up to the fact that this is just an unprecedented usurpation of government authority for the federal government to order people to buy something.
A lot of amendments were added, or a couple of amendments were added yesterday on the floor, or on Wednesday on the floor, excuse me.
Right.
And what did those really do? And some of them were rejected as well that were brought up by some of the Democrats, including
Well,
laws that doesn't work.
the amendments that were adopted were just including some common sense exceptions. We already had 7 or 8 exceptions, like if you're in a custody fight or a support fight about your children, you can be ordered to pay for health insurance for that child. That just makes sense. And the ones accepted were like that. We weren't trying to change those kind of rules. The amendments that were rejected were one that was just designed to gut the bill by making it ineffective. And the second one would have only accomplished the first purpose, but would not have had the Attorney General state our case to the federal courts. The Attorney General, by our Constitution, is the lawyer for the state of North Carolina. He's not the lawyer for himself or for the governor, but for the state as a whole. And if this bill becomes law, it is the law. By Constitution, it's up to the Attorney General to carry it out.